Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use lindane, also known as gamma-benzene hexachloride. This powerful medication is strictly for treating certain parasitic infestations like scabies and lice. It is typically prescribed only when other, safer treatments have not been effective. Always consult your doctor or a healthcare professional to determine if lindane is the right treatment for your specific condition. Misuse can lead to serious health risks. For treating scabies, lindane lotion is applied to clean, dry skin. First, ensure your skin is free of any other lotions or oils. Apply a very thin layer over your entire body, from the neck down to the soles of your feet. Leave the medication on for exactly 8 to 12 hours, but no longer, as extended exposure increases risks. After this period, wash it off completely with warm, not hot, water. When treating lice with lindane shampoo, first wash your hair with regular shampoo and dry it thoroughly at least 1 hour prior. Apply just enough lindane shampoo to wet the affected hair and scalp, including small hairs on the back of your neck. Leave it on for precisely 4 minutes. Then, use a small amount of warm water to create a lather and rinse all shampoo off your hair and skin completely with warm water. Safety is paramount when using lindane. If applying to another person, always wear less permeable gloves, such as nitrile or vinyl, to prevent absorption. Never reapply lindane, even if itching persists, as one treatment is typically enough, and reapplication can cause severe side effects. Store the product tightly sealed in its original container, in a cool, dry place, completely out of reach of children and pets. Follow all disposal instructions carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.